doctors here really around the country, but in particular here at this flagship hospital here for children in the Mountain West, they say they're seeing a disturbing uptick in some serious complications, in particular in preteen children, those who do contract the coronavirus. And it can be very devastating. And they just, again, it's another example of how they're trying to warn folks out there about the seriousness of this disease if and when it's caught. And it's just real difficult. In some cases, it's causing severe upper respiratory issues and heart problems. In particular, there's one syndrome they're calling MISC. It can come on very quickly and result not only in hospitalization for kids who get it, but also a stay in the intensive care unit, one that can last several days. One 12-year-old patient from Wyoming sharing her story this morning via a Zoom conference call about what happened to her.
I woke up and I had a really bad headache and just body aches all over. And then like 2 to 3 days later, I couldn't walk and I wouldn't eat. And then I started getting rashes all over my body. And that's when I knew that it wasn't like normal sickness. And then I just woke up and I couldn't move at all.
Yeah, obviously very scary stuff, in particular for the family, Maddie and her family. They live about 3 hours away in southwest Wyoming. Fortunately, they were able to make it here in time. Mom says the doctors here did an amazing job. She says it's a rural community, and they thought they were pretty safe. They were engaging in safe social distancing just by nature of where they live. And they were also of the thought process that, hey, if one of the kids do get it, they're young, they're healthy, they're going to be okay. Not so much the case here. They now know a lot better. They, along with doctors, are sharing Maddie's story in the hopes that it changes some people's minds out there, the folks who are either anti-maskers or just don't think it's that big of a deal. Already, Utah has surpassed 154,000 cases and more than 700 deaths. And again, in some of the younger people, it can have very serious complications. For now, we're live in Salt Lake City. Scott McCain, Fox 13 News, Utah.